All right, this is not going as smoothly as we want. We're trying to port this engine we've been working on a Heroku server. We're trying to port this to Google App Engine. This path here is giving us a problem. So this is what it looks like on Heroku / atomic IVMMO, but on here we get this error message that gives us some information. Let's go look at what's going on here. So in the top level helper functions, we've added this type string function, which is just a wrapper for the type of function. So inside a try catch, if we invoke an error by trying to use the type of, we'll return an evil type as a string. So output type will be the type of here, or it'll be evil type here. Okay, so then down here in the server environment, the yes node environment, inside of our request handler function, we have this path here, / atomic IVMMO, should give us the contents of the file. And the output type, we're doing a little bit of debugging. The output type is going to be set to nil here, and it's going to give us the output type of this iCough thing. So after we get the contents of the file, it should get loaded into here. We're going to immediately get the type of whatever gets sent into here as a sanity check. This OK was originally iError, now it's OK. Never gets set to false, but if it were to get set to false, we would use this for iCough. Then down here a little bit further, something is going wrong in this section of code right here, where we're pre-processing iCough. Something is going wrong, and because of that, this part of our promise is ending up into this catch block, I think. And we're invoking this catch block right here, and we have a tag. You've got issues. We got verification that we're in the Google environment, and we have the type of iCough right here, the output error message that we got, and then we're kind of gluing it all together in this output message and then returning the output message here. So we can see it right here, right? You've got issues. The environment indeed is Google App Engine. The type of iCough is a string, but then the error says that iCough.replaceAll is not a function, which tells me that iCough at some point is getting turned into a non-string object. So here's what I did previously, and then here's our footnotes for this video, and here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go here. You're on the short playlist right here. You get the source code here, email me here, and you have been on video number 354. Like, subscribe, send money.